Hello, students. Welcome back to the class of Fundamentals of Marketing Management. Uh, Today, I will start Unit 1 of your course of Fundamental of Marketing Management. I will just say what Unit 1 consists of. Unit 1, we will try to learn the difference between goods and what is services. There are two marketings. One is goods marketing and one is service marketing. Goods, as you know, is a product. Product marketing is different as compared to service marketing. So that differentiation we will try to address in this unit. The second aspect that we will try to learn is what is a market. Again, as a common man, as a common layman, the understanding of market is different. What we feel as a market is not a market. It is selling. But I will try to clarify those concepts, which you might think that it is this, but it is something else. The third aspect that we will try to understand is classification of products. What are industrial products? What are consumer products? As you might have listened, FMCG, fast moving consumer goods. There are medicines, there are electronic goods, there are big machines which comes under industrial goods. So that differentiation we will try to address in the unit 1. Then we come to a little bit of service marketing, because the basic purpose of this course of fundamentals of marketing is to make you aware about different types of marketing, because we are learning the fundamentals, the basics. So you should know what is service marketing, what is tangibility, what is intangibility. I will tell you something in brief. Okay. And then we will end this unit by understanding what is B2B market, what is B2C market, and what is C2C market. B means business, C means consumer. Okay, so business to business, consumer to consumer, consumer to business, business to consumer. So these types of marketing we will try to understand. So to start, we will take a small product. Now imagine that you are sitting alone and suddenly you thought about having a cup of tea. Now you went to the kitchen and started searching here and there to make a tea. You had milk, you had tea, but sugar was not. So you are confused how to make a tea without sugar. You started searching in the kitchen, but after thorough search, you couldn't find it. Now you opened your mobile. There are so many apps like Big Basket is there, Blinkit is there, Zepto is there, Instamart is there. Now you opened one of the app and you said branded sugar. Now there will come a list of products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Imagine you want a cup of tea, and because of shortage of sugar, you are not getting that enjoyment. You are worried what you will do. The obvious answer is the first come first basis. The first product that you see, you will buy. And you found Madhur sugar, branded sugar, 50 rupees kg. You order 1 kg because minimum order should be 100 rupees. You order 2 kg. The sugar came, you poured sugar, and you had a cup of tea. Now think, just start feeling when you had that cup of tea, what was the enjoyment? I'm talking about a product, a sugar. Now, can a simple sugar survive without having tea and milk? No, not at all. So, to make a product in India, especially, a combo pack is expected. There, you understand what is a product, the importance of the product, the need of the product, the want of the product, why you needed sugar, because to have that sweetness along with tea flavor, along with milk flavor. So, three items made a beautiful, tasteful cup of tea. Just start feeling. That's what is a product. That's what is a good. Okay. So I talked about goods. On the other hand, there is services. Imagine you are seeing a beautiful movie. Now, there's a popular movie, for example, Chhawa, Vicky Kaushal's movie, and you're watching on the television, you are enjoying the film, and suddenly, Wi-Fi goes. Your Android TV is blank. There is no Wi-Fi. The entertainment from the 92% came to 0%. What you do? Think about it. When I am taking a session, students, you must feel whatever I say. Unless you don't feel, you will not get into the marketing. Feel. You immediately call your Wi-Fi service agents. And within 5 or 5.5 minutes, he solves the problem. There is something network issue, and your Chhawa starts. Now, when you are watching the level of entertainment, when it got broke down, the gap between one enjoyment and second enjoyment, if it is the 92%, when it comes back, students, the enjoyment will be 97%. You might think I am making a story, but think about when it happens. I assure you, I guarantee you that within that 5 minutes, the enjoyment has increased from 92 to 97 or 98%. Why this happened? Because of the service that the Wi-Fi person provided. Why service is there? So that this gap, that 5-minute gap, should not happen. Suppose, for example, this 5-minute gap became 15 minutes. In that 15 minutes, frustration, desperation, irritation, impatient, you will see a lot of feelings in you. So I'm trying to emphasize that the service converts your desperation, irritation into enjoyment. Another aspect I will tell you, you are very hungry and you are loitering on the road searching for a restaurant. And you entered a beautiful restaurant, for example, Haldiram's Planet Food. The moment you entered, the waiter came with the menu. And you said that, tell me which product will give me most satisfaction. Immediately bring it. I am very hungry. And you ordered a chole bhature. Within 5 minutes, your chole bhature came. And your stomach is full now. Your hunger is gone. Imagine the feeling, imagine your expressions, imagine your satisfaction level. Why this happened? Because of the service that Planet Food provides. Imagine that It happened within 10 minutes. Imagine if you have to wait for 1 hour to get that chole bhature. Finished. Your hunger is gone, your frustration is there, your impatience is there, your irritation comes back, so many expressions comes back. And when it comes after 1 hour, you will not be a happy person. I talked about consumer good. I talked about restaurant. I talked about a service. In service also, there is variety, students. One service will be different from other services. So for each, marketing is different. Selling a product is different. Selling a service is different. And that difference we have to learn. So keep watching the class of marketing management and you will be not disappointed. See you in the next session with the difference between goods and marketing, service marketing. Thank you. Have a nice day.